Welcome to guys my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers easily from officially site, which is www.gigabyte.com. You can see. So first come to this website, then you can see right inside corner search button. You just search and then you type your model number which is you require the driver, then hit enter. Now your model number motherboard searching. Then guys click to product. Then guys click to here the model number motherboard. Then guys click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. If you have any, you can watch this video and install, because installations process same. VGA driver. So this is Intel VGA driver. You can just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Here you can see here 195 MB. Okay, wait a few seconds. Size, you guys, you can see here downloaded. Then double click to exe. Then guys click to yes. Now this is extracting data to your system. This is extracting. Now you can see this is graphic card installing. Take some time, it will, because driver is so big size, heavy size, that's why uh, it will take some time to install. Okay, because it is installed, and then close it.